The Sol 45 is a selective focus lens, compatible with lots of cameras. Lensbaby also has the Sol 22 for micro four thirds cameras. Together, they operate the same way. Tilt to select a focus spot, focus, and shoot. The result is a sweet spot of focus wherever you might want it in the moment, surrounded by extraordinarily smooth bokeh. It separates your subject and the shot, creates this really beautiful fall off, and supports just about any style of photography, from lifestyle to nature to macro. Sol really is a favorite from Lensbaby.